Today I wanted to share 4 beginner After Effects tools I use every day at 100 Thieves or really any freelance project. These are all either free or built within After Effects, so it won't cost you anything and they will make your life so much easier. Number 1 is the collect files feature. One of the worst feelings for any animator is when you open up a project and you see this. Collect files is meant to prevent this from ever happening to you again. If you go to Files, Dependencies, and Collect Files, it will package up a copy of your project file as well as every single image or video file used in the project. In the same dependencies section, you can also select Remove Unused Footage to clean up your project before collecting your files. This is really useful if you ever plan on revisiting an old project or if you're sending the project file off to a client. Number 2 is the libraries panel. If you're working for a brand and are consistently using the same assets, this is going to be your best friend, as it is with me at 100 Thieves. It's basically a storage system for you to drag and drop resources between any Adobe program, including Photoshop and Illustrator. For example, I can cut out an image of one of our players in Photoshop, save it to libraries, and now it's automatically available in After Effects for me to drag and drop into my composition. You can use it to store logos, images, really anything that you plan on using more than once, and it will save you a lot of time. Number 3 is the snapshot feature. This is a really simple tool, but I can't believe I went so many years without knowing it existed. Right at the bottom of your preview window, there should be a little camera icon. If you click on it, it will save a snapshot of whatever frame you are currently on. Then whenever you click on the icon next to it, it will load up that snapshot for you. There are many ways you can use this feature, but regardless, at the very least, it's convenient to know that it exists. Number 4 is the only plugin not directly within After Effects, but if you don't have FX Console installed, it is free and it is a huge time saver. There are a lot of uses for it, but there are 2 features that I use on a daily basis. The first is the Save Screenshot tool. If you open your FX Console using Control Space, there's an icon that saves a screenshot of the frame you're on or copies it to your clipboard. Super useful if I need to quickly get an opinion from my coworkers or clients. The second is the Effect Search tool. This is basically a faster way to apply effects to your layers by removing unnecessary clicking or dragging that you would normally have to do in After Effects. Doing it through the shortcuts in FX Console might only save you a few clicks, but if you're doing this hundreds of times a day, it's going to add up very quickly throughout your career. Let me know if this was helpful. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.